These, my friends, are for hanging on to hope.
Remember that you have power within you and that you are always an influencer.
I matter and I am important. And you are important too.
My name is Lennis Woods Mullins, and I am a holistic living and wellness expert for women over 40. I happen to also be the creator and founder of the H.O.P.E and Wellness brand. I felt back in February when I decided to start doing these events that people just needed some hope and they needed to remember what their actual purpose was and to honor that every day.
You think we would have brought you here if there was no hope?